Assalamualaikum and hi everyone, I'm Hazim and our group will be explaining about drug analysis using chromatography. But before that, let's first understand what chromatography is. Chromatography is a laboratory technique used to separate and identify the different components present in a mixture. It works based on different movement rates of substances through two phases, which are the stationary phase and the mobile phase. As the substance move, some travel faster while others move more slowly, causing them to separate from each other. This makes it easier to identify and analyze the components of a sample. Chromatography is widely used in pharmaceutical, medical, and analytical laboratories. It is especially important in drug analysis because it provides accurate and reliable results, helping scientists identify substances and determine their purity. In the next slide, we will look at why chromatography is important in drug analysis. Now, let's look at why chromatography is important. Chromatography plays a vital role in many fields, especially in healthcare and pharmaceutical science. First, it is used to detect drugs in blood, urine, and other biological samples. This is important for medical diagnosis, drug testing, and toxicology analysis. And it also helps ensure the quality, purity, and safety of medicines by checking the pharmaceutical products are free from harmful impurities and contain the correct ingredients. In forensic science, chromatography is used to identify unknown substances found at crime scenes, making it an essential tool in criminal investigation. Finally, chromatography supports research, clinical testing, and the development of new medicines by providing accurate and reliable analytical results.
Hello guys, my name is Muhammad Irfan and I'm going to explain about how chromatography actually works. To understand the separation technique, we first need to look at the two crucial phases that make it possible. The first one is stationary phase and another one is mobile phase. Think of the stationary phase as the anchor of the system. This is the substance, medium or column packing that stays completely still and does not move. The another one is mobile phase. Running through the stationary medium is the mobile phase. This is the fluid, solvent or gas that continuously flows through the entire chromatography system, acting as the carrier. Next, I'm going to explain about three mechanics of separation. First, we have sample injection. When a drug sample is placed into our system, its individual components immediately begin to move, but they do so at different speeds based on how they interact with stationary phase and mobile phases. Here is why they separate. First, some components have a strong stationary attraction because they are highly attracted to the immovable stationary phase. They constantly cling to it, which causes them to hang back and move slower. Other components have a strong mobile attraction because they are highly soluble in the mobile phase. They dissolve very easy in the flowing fluid and move much faster. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Fazim bin Misri. Now I will explain the type of chromatography used in drug analysis. There are several types of chromatography, but the three most common methods are thin layer chromatography, high performance liquid chromatography, and gas chromatography. The first one is thin layer chromatography or TLC. TLC is a simple, fast, and low cost method. It is mainly used to check the purity of drugs and to compare different compounds. Because it is quick and easy to perform, it is often used for preliminary testing in laboratories. The second method is high performance liquid chromatography or HPLC. This is one of the most accurate and sensitive chromatography techniques. It can separate and identify very small amounts of substance, making it highly reliable. Due to its high accuracy, HPLC is widely used in pharmaceutical industry for quality control and to ensure that medicines are safe and meet the required standards. The third method is gas chromatography or GC. This technique is used to analyze volatile substances, which are substances that can easily turn into gas. GC is commonly used in toxicology, forensic science, and drug testing to detect drugs, alcohol, and other chemical compounds. In conclusion, each chromatography method has its own advantages. TLC is best for quick and simple analysis. HPLC provides highly accurate results from pharmaceutical testing, and GC is ideal for analyzing volatile substances. The choice of method depends on the type of drugs or sample being analyzed. Thank you.
Next, I will explain about the RF value, also known as the retention factor. The RF value is the ratio of the distance traveled by a substance to the distance traveled by the solvent during chromatography. It is an important value because it helps us identify different compounds after they have been separated on the chromatography plate. The RF value is calculated using this formula. RF equals the distance traveled by the substance divided by the distance traveled by the solvent. For example, if the drug spot travels 2 cm while the solvent form travels 5 cm, the RF value is 2 divided by 5, which equals to 0.40. Each compound has a characteristic RF value when the experiment is carried out under the same conditions, such as using the same stationary phase, mobile phase, and temperature. By comparing the RF value of an unknown sample with the RF value of a non-standard, scientists can determine whether the compounds are likely to be the same. However, the RF value should not be used as the only method of identification because different compounds can sometimes have similar RF values. Therefore, it is often used together with other analytical techniques to obtain more accurate results. In conclusion, the RF value is a simple but effective tool in chromatography. It plays an important role in identifying drugs, checking the purity of pharmaceutical products, and analyzing unknown substances in laboratories.
So for my part, I will explain the application in chromatography. Chromatography is very important in drug analysis and it is widely used in different fields. In the medical field, it is used to detect drugs in blood or urine and helping doctors to monitor patients. In the pharmaceutical field, it ensures the drug purity and quality so medicines are safe to use. For forensic science, chromatography helps identify illegal drugs in crime investigation. And lastly, for environmental analysis, it is used to detect harmful chemical substances and monitor pollution. To conclude, chromatography is a powerful analytical technique used to separate, identify, and analyze drugs accurately. It plays an important role in ensuring drug safety and quality and making sure that medicines are safe for us. In addition, chromatography helps solve crime through forensic analysis by identifying unknown substances, and it is also contribute to better healthcare and environmental monitoring. Overall, chromatography is essential in science and plays a key role in improving safety and quality of life. That's all from us. Thank you.